Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're into TikTok Shop affiliate marketing, you've probably heard about Fastmoss, a great tool to track top trending products and top affiliates. And guess what? Today, I'm going to show you how to get a Fastmoss coupon code and use it to save on your subscription. Let's jump right in. So, before we dive into the coupon code, for those of you who are new here, Fastmoss is a must-have tool for anyone serious about TikTok Shop affiliate marketing. It helps you find trending products, top affiliates, and see what's working best right now on TikTok Shop. Whether you're a seasoned affiliate or just starting, it gives you insights that can supercharge your strategy. Now, let's talk about how you can save 15% on your Fastmoss subscription. Simply use the coupon code AD2025 during checkout, and you'll instantly get 15% off your total. Alright, now that you've got your coupon code, it's time to use it. Here's how to apply it when you're ready to subscribe. Go to the subscription page. Head over to Fastmoss's subscription page and choose the plan that works best for you. Enter your details. Fill in your details, such as your name and email address. Apply the coupon code. Next, you'll see a section labeled Coupon Code or Discount Code during checkout. Simply enter the code AD2025 and make sure the discount is applied. Your total price will update with the 15% savings. Finish the payment process and you're all set to use Fastmoss with your discount. One quick tip: always double check that the coupon code is applied before finalizing your purchase to ensure you're getting the discount. Now you know how to get 15% off Fastmoss using the coupon code AD2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips on affiliate marketing and the latest tools to boost your business.